Hello friends, hope your spirits are high today. Are you being able to follow my meditations? Please feel free to send me your reviews, good or bad, because I truly believe that there is always a scope of improvement, and only if we keep learning, we keep growing. Now in this session today, let us understand a little about our chakras. By knowing about our chakras, it would help us in our meditations and to heal ourselves better. So what exactly are these chakras? Chakras are the energy centers or powerhouses of our body. They spin at a particular frequency, and if they are blocked, we start facing issues with our health and emotions. This may also lead to financial and social disturbances. All this starts happening because our aura starts getting depleted. Now, how many chakras do we have and where do they exist? We have 114 chakras, and out of these 114 chakras, we have 7 major, 21 minor and 86 micro chakras. The 7 major chakras are connected with each other and all the other chakras in a closed circuit. So if we take care of the major chakras, we can balance our full body. Each chakra is connected to a particular color and a particular function in the body. There are crystals, sounds, mantras, deities, and angels that resonate with these chakras, about which I would subsequently unfold in my later videos. For the time being, let us learn the names, the places where they are situated, and the colors that they are associated with, and a little about what they do. Now our first chakra is the root or Muladhara chakra in Sanskrit. As roots or Mool and Adhar give away the meaning and the effect that it has on our body. It obviously is the support system and the one which keeps us grounded. This chakra is at the base of the spine and resonates with the color red, dark red or maroon. Second is the sacral chakra, also called as Swadhisthana in Sanskrit. I also call it Swadhin Hona, meaning becoming independent, well established with one's own free will. This requires desire and willpower. And yes, this is exactly what this chakra does. The chakra is 3 fingers below our navel and is associated with the color orange. Third is the solar plexus, also called as Manipura, which is located at the base of the rib cage. The word Manipura has Man in it, and yes, the solar plexus is the chakra where all our emotions are stored. It also deals with creativity. This chakra resonates with the color yellow. Fourth is the heart chakra, which is also called Anhata, which means the unstruck sound. We all know where our heart is, but this chakra is at the center between our ribs, right on the sternum. Now this chakra resonates with two colors, pink and green, where green deals with the physical side and pink deals with the emotional side of our heart. Fifth is the throat chakra, known as Vishuddha in Sanskrit, meaning pure or filtered. And yes, it is on the throat, dealing with our verbal expressions. This chakra is associated with the color blue. Our sixth chakra is right between or at the junction of our eyebrows and is called the third eye or Ajna, which means command or Agya. It resonates with the color deep purple or violet, giving us our intuition, perception and clarity of thoughts. Seventh and the main chakra is the crown chakra, also called as Sahasrara, meaning thousands of petals or innumerable petals, which I interpret as having immense knowledge. Where this chakra is, that you must have definitely guessed by now. Yes, it is above our head where we wear our crown. This chakra is connected with the color white. I also connect this chakra with the rainbow colors because this chakra is like our connection with the universe and the remaining chakras, making the circuit complete with the earth. Now all of these chakras are present in a straight line on our spine. We can all imagine what happens if one bone of our spine is dislocated. We just can't function. Same happens with the alignment of the chakras. If the frequency of one chakra changes, the energy and alignment of the whole body, that is the energy field, gets disturbed. Now that we have the basic information about the chakras, let us do a quick meditation to balance them for our beautiful moments ahead. I'll give you some time to settle down and get back to you in a moment. Hope you are ready to begin with the meditation. Let's start with breathing 3 times. Breathing in the golden healing sunlight, holding our breath and breathing out saying Om. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Keep breathing softly and gently. Calm all your nerves and relax. I want you to imagine a beautiful morning. You wake up, see this beautiful morning outside your window, and want to venture out. So you open the door of your house and see a beautiful green pasture outside. You start walking barefoot on the green moist grass, feeling the freshness on your feet. There is gentle breeze blowing. You can also see cows grazing. Their soft, soothing bells touches your ears, and you want to go close and look at them. You keep walking further and absorb the serene atmosphere. It's so beautiful. You can also see the mountains far away. The sky looks so beautiful with blue, pink and orange colors on them. It's all ready for sunrise. You look for a nice comfortable place on the rock and sit there looking around, seeing the cows grazing, the lush green grass. This is your time. You are loving it, being all by yourself. Suddenly, far away, near the mountains, you see a beautiful rainbow. You admire it. And ask the rainbow to come close to you so that you can absorb all the rainbow colors in your body. One end of the rainbow comes closer to you and along with its beautiful gleaming colors, it enters your crown chakra. You are sitting there ready to receive. Softly, the rainbow slides to your third eye. The third eye chakra absorbs the violet indigo colors. Now the rainbow moves to your throat chakra, and the throat chakra absorbs the blue color from the rainbow. Keep breathing slowly. The rainbow then swirls to the heart chakra and refreshes it with the color green. Your heart feels so light and nice. It then flows to the solar plexus and fills it with the yellow color. You feel free with all your emotions that are buried so deep inside. Slowly, it sways further to the sacral chakra and fills it with orange. Then the rainbow moves down the root chakra and seals it with the red color. You start feeling so good and in control of your life. The rainbow then flows and fills all the organs of the body with all its beautiful colors. Imagine your whole body is radiating and glowing with different colors. It feels nice and radiant. These colors of the rainbow then move ahead towards your feet. They again get absorbed in the ground and swiftly go and meet the other end of the rainbow far away near the horizon. Keep breathing softly and calmly and feel the freshness as all your chakras are now balanced and full of all the beautiful colors of the rainbow. All the chakras are shining and glowing. You feel so nice and contented. Let us now thank the rainbow for blessing us with these beautiful shades of happiness in life and walk back home. Keep walking back, feeling the gentle breeze and the freshness of the green grass on your feet. Absorb the serene atmosphere in your heart forever. Whenever you feel low, you can walk back here and absorb all of these radiant colors in your heart and soul. Feeling fresh again. Now that you have reached your home, open the door of your house, come in and calmly sit down. As the music fades out, I want you to gently move your fingers and stretch your body. Now open your eyes with a smile, feeling fresh and radiant. Keep glowing like the rainbow always.